everyone, Stephanie Ann here, and today I'm going to show you how to make Turkish Bazlama. And I was inspired to make this because I was reading 450 Miles to Freedom, which is, let me get this right, it's it's recollections of an escape from Turkey from it's recollections of an escape from Turkey by British officers during World War One, and it was recorded by Maurice Andrew Brackenreed Johnston. That's a really long name, and I'm trying to get it right. Hopefully I got it right. So Maurice Andrew Brackenreed Johnston, in his recollections, he mentions eating chupatti on their escape, and chupatti is an Indian name for what we would call like a pita. But they were more likely eating bazlama, which is a Turkish version of pita, and the difference is that bazlama has yogurt. So I hope you enjoy.
There were no further signs of life until nearly 4 o'clock. Our sudden appearance then startled 3 or 4 small children who were tending some goats on the hillside. A moment later we came into view of a single black tent. Concealment was impossible. Besides, we were in our usual trouble for water. The only inhabitant seemed to be an old woman, who came out of the tent to find out why the children had run back. To avoid frightening her, the party halted some distance off, while Cochrane and Grunt went forward alone to find out what sort of reception might be expected. For some minutes the Circassian, for we thought she must be one, stood talking to the 2 envoys at the door of her tent. Then she signalled us to approach and invited the whole party inside her abode. Here she offered the equivalent in the East of a chair, namely a seat on the mats which covered the earthen floor. The amiable old dame next produced a large circular tray, which she set in our midst, and on which she placed some wafer-like chupattis and a couple of bowls of the inevitable yacht. Never did a simple meal taste so sweet, but the amount provided served only to whet the appetite of the 8 hungry travellers.
Thanks for watching. If you like history, cooking, and keeping up with everyone's favorite time-traveling cook, please like this video and subscribe, and do be sure to check out www.worldturnedupsidedown.com for full recipes and other interesting historical things.